This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the base system error on your Windows system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The base system error is signified with a yellow exclamation mark next to drivers in the Device Manager window. The first solution would be to install the problematic drivers from the manufacturer's website. The other solution is to update Windows, which will also update all the drivers. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates to update your system to the latest set of drivers. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.